It's National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day, but you don't even need an excuse to enjoy these healthier and delicious low-carb chocolate chip cookies. These little guys are not only packed with healthful ingredients, but they're also the perfect combination of chewy and crispy, and they're not cakey at all. You guys are going to absolutely love them. What's up YouTube? Welcome to the Metabolic Living channel. My name is Bella. I'm the lead nutritionist and recipe developer here. I know you're probably itching to get going with this delicious batch of chocolate chip cookies, so let's go ahead and dive straight in.
The best texture ever. It's like the perfect combo between crisp and chew.
And there you have it, bakery style chocolate chip cookies without the junk, without the sugar rush, and equally, if not more, delicious. If you loved this recipe and this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to our Metabolic Living channel for more recipes. We've also got workout videos, culinary tips, all the great stuff. Also, make sure you check us out on social media. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter over at Metabolic Living. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, guys. Enjoy your chocolate chip cookies, and I will see you all very, very soon in the next video.